Hey there, fellow culture enthusiasts. Welcome back to our Face in China series. Today we're taking you on a journey through the top 7 ways a Chinese person can gain face in their society. In case you missed it, in part 1, we discussed the ins and outs of face in Chinese culture. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Now it's time to explore the secrets behind boosting social status and earning that all-important face. Let's jump right in. Picture this, a Chinese individual striving to bring honor to their family through remarkable achievements. Whether it's acing an advanced degree, securing a prestigious position, or making waves in society. These accomplishments aren't just personal triumphs. They're ways to earn face and elevate one's social standing. Respect and love for parents and elders holds a special place in Chinese hearts. By nurturing strong family bonds, supporting their parents, and embodying filial piety, individuals gain not only face within their family, but also in the wider community. Ready for some glam? We're talking luxurious properties, sleek cars, haute couture fashion, and even philanthropy. Demonstrating material wealth and success isn't just about showcasing opulence. It's a powerful way to command respect and admiration, securing that coveted face. Time to uncover the art of guanxi. Building strong social connections from influential networks to close relationships opens doors to opportunities and resources. It's the key to gaining face and expanding your social horizons. The delicate dance of harmony. Chinese culture values grace under pressure. By handling sensitive situations with tact and humility, individuals gain face by preserving not only their own dignity, but also that of others. Humility shines like a gem in Chinese culture. By downplaying personal achievements and displaying modesty, individuals show respect for others and avoid the pitfall of arrogance, thus earning face in the eyes of their peers. Making a positive mark on society is a true face booster. Engaging in community activities, volunteering, and cultural preservation not only enrich lives, but also add stars to one's reputation. It's all about giving back and gaining face in the most meaningful way. And there you have it, 7 fantastic ways to gain face in China. Remember, these traditions are more than just customs. They're the heartbeat of a society that values honor, respect, and harmony. Well, that wraps things up for today, but stay tuned for the exciting conclusion of our journey into face in China in part 3 of this series. That's all for now. See you next time.